how to cite sources and avoid plagiarism. In this tutorial, we talk about how to cite sources and avoid plagiarism. A citation is a reference to the source of information used in your essay writing. When you quote, paraphrase, or summarize another person's ideas or words in your work, an in-text citation should be used. An in-text citation is a brief notation in the text of your essay or article, referring the reader to a more complete citation at the end of your essay or article. It's very important you learn how to cite sources and to avoid plagiarism. The main reasons are, firstly, you show your reader your research by listing sources you used for your information. Secondly, as a responsible student, you give credit and acknowledge other people's work and ideas. Thirdly, if you don't give credit, you plagiarize by quoting words and ideas used by other authors. Finally, your reader can review the sources you used in your essay by reading footnotes, a bibliography, or reference list. It's time-consuming to format a long list of references, according to a formal style guide, used for citation. Your essays or articles can contain dozens of citations, so keeping citations organized is important for being a productive and organized English writer. Thus, when drafting your essay or assignment, a citation generator can generate citation information easily, quickly, and correctly. These online citation generators are helpful tools in turning a long bibliography into an easy-to-use list of references. The online citation generator receives information typed by you about the source. The generator produces a citation that you can copy and paste into a project. Make sure your citation generator is using the latest style guides. Make sure the data you use to cite sources is accurate and complete. ESL students should learn about using a citation generator. Citation generators provide a productivity improvement, and you don't have to remember all the different styles, so you can focus on how to avoid plagiarism. To learn more, visit AWS Student Academy at www.eslacademicwritingskills.com and review our free Basic Citation and Referencing course for ESL students.